engineer. Welcome back to the channel Smart Campbell Discover Science. Today I'm going to show you this another project. So our project is based on a automatic door open and close by using RF remote control. So as you see, this project I'm done it on the Proteus Profession 8.13. And if you need to do in later practical, this system it will work perfect. So for today I'm going to show you on Proteus how this project it works. And if you're first time to see our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So already get started on this. The components that are being used is you must have this RF transmitter. This is called a transmitter. So we transmit data into this RF receiver. So this is the receiver and this is the transmitter. Also we have this Arduino, and also we have this motor driver. This motor driver helps us to drive a DC motors. So it is better to use this motor driver in order to drive this DC motor. So if you do, or if you don't use this motor driver and you use this only motor on, you connect this motor into this, you must destroy this component. So you must destroy this microcontroller. So it is better to use DC motor driver. So already get started on this. So this Arduino, it needs some program in order to operate, because this Arduino have no program. So you need to add a program file on this part. So for me, I use this Arduino program. So if you need this program and this Proteus file, check link into a description. You will see the channel link to joining into our Telegram channel. So click and join into our Telegram channel. You will get this for free. I'll give you this Proteus file and this program file, also this circuit diagram. So first you need to, after downloading this into our Telegram channel, so first you need to go into this file and preferences into your Arduino IDE, and then you must mark a comparison. Just wait. Yes, you must mark this comparison. You must show Webu's output during comparison. So you must mark this comparison and then click OK. Now you can simulate. You can verify your program. After verifying this program and done compiling into an Arduino IDE, so you must go these sides and you must copy this hex Arduino.hex up to this. So let's start from here and then highlight up to the end. Now as you see, so then click Ctrl C on your keyboard to copy, and then go into the Proteus Profession and double click into Arduino or delete, and then click paste it. So now the next step is to simulate this system. So let's click on this simulation. So now the system will start. And if you are first time to see our channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this video, don't forget to share with your friends. So now after the system to be done on this you have this push button. So this is the button for forward and this button for reverse. Also we have this LED. This LED is for showing you as an indicator. So this indicator will show you for forward and this for reverse. So let's check and see. This motor will rotate in forwarding and in reverse direction due to the command from this transmitter. So let's start by click this forward direction, then click. You see this motor it move in forward direction, and this LED will indicate you. Now after this after the motor stop, so you see this also already will turn off. So we transmit data on this side up to this, and this data connected directly to the Arduino. So you see this will turn off. So let's move this motor in reverse direction. So click on reverse direction. So we see this already return on, and this motor will move in reverse direction. So let's see when I press both forward and I press reverse. So what happened? So you see nothing happened. So now thanks for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And if you need to try each at your place, check link into our Telegram channel. You see link to download. You will see link for our Telegram channel. So click and join into our Telegram community, and then download this and try at your place. Thanks for this, and welcome for another tutorial.